Hello everyone, I'm Shanad back again with another video. Today in this video we'll be talking about maps, and in the previous video we have talked about more on arrays, and now it's time to discuss some things about maps. So without any further ado, let's start. So let's create a file, a name maps 02 dot dot into the intermediate part, sorry dot, then create the main method first. After creating the main method, we first have to initialize the map. Okay, just like this, where user equals to new. With the help of the new keyword, we can actually initialize maps list. In the previous video I've shown you new list, and here we will do new maps. Map is initialized, then we can add something. Okay, we can add by using this user.add. This is a very good method to add, and I've told you that do it in different lines to not to get confused. Okay, so first I will give username, I'll put my name, then I will place email, then I will place my password, then college name, so these are the things I have added in my map, and now I will do some operations. And if you want to print it or want to see that how it is looking, you can do like this, print user for now on, and just let's run it. Sorry, cd intermediate, and then dart maps 02 dot dot, see username Sayanath, email sayanath235@gmail.com, password college kid, like this. Okay, now there are some functions available with it, just like in array. Dot length function used to give the length, it will return me 4, just like this, because there are 4. It is a key and it's a value, so we can also access the keys also by writing dot keys with the, see, username, email, password, college, and same way we can access values too. Sign mail, password, and kit, like this. And there is a most interesting part, you can also give that is empty or not, but I have not seen this so far as much. See, false. So these are the functions there, and I want to show you something. You can do it user dot clear. If you do this, all the elements in your map will be cleared. Let's run this. See, it is empty. So this is the thing. And one more stuff, you can also put things into the map like this also, like this user, let's say what will be pin code, pin equals to let's say 7 70091. It's my pin code, and then you can do it. User city equals to Kolkata. Okay, let's remove this because it's a very use function, and let's comment it out. So I should get pin and city there. Let's clear the terminal and then hit enter. See, pin 70091 and city Kolkata. This is how you can do operations in maps. I hope you get the concepts, and this much for this video. If you really like this video, go and share it and subscribe our channel. Thank you. And another important announcement that DSC Kit is organizing a hackathon. It will be an online hackathon obviously, and just participate. I will just give the link down below. So register yourself there and hope to see you there. Bye bye.